Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we will learn about the open and closed circuits. Step 1. Select a 9-volt battery, an LED, and a resistor from the components panel and place it on the work plane. Step 2. Connect the cathode of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. Step 3. Connect the one end of the resistor to the positive terminal of the battery as shown here. Click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action. Here, as you can observe, the LED didn't glow up. It is because the circuit is open. To establish the proper flow of current in the circuit, join the other end of the resistor to the anode of the LED. Click on Start Simulation again. This time the LED starts glowing as the circuit is closed.